I had come to the incredible town of Rio Lagartos, located in between many small islands by the coast of the Yucatan peninsula in Mexico. The town has 3,400 people and is part of a natural reserve. We're going out on a boat trip. There are many interesting birds in the area. For example, the pelicans that can have a wingspan of up to 3 meters, which is about 10 feet. It was a windy day, but we were on our way out to see all the islands right outside the town. The water in Ria Lagartos looks vibrant and light blue because of the shallow depths of the sea. We are on a boat trip in the Rio Lagartos. We had come out to the open sea in the Gulf of Mexico. This area had some incredible beaches and nice color of the water. The best part about Rio Lagartos is how untouched and preserved the place is. We just got out here to Rio Lagartos, and it's a really incredible area where the water is really blue. The water temperature never goes below 25 degrees Celsius, which is around 80 Fahrenheit. The wind is strong sometimes in Rio Lagartos. It comes from northern winds and pressure differences in the Gulf of Mexico. I just went swimming. The water is so nice and warm, and this place is really cool actually. I really like it. It's so natural, like no buildings, nothing. Here we also have hundreds of beaches, like everywhere, around every corner there's a new beach. We stopped on some beach, but now we're on our way to the next place. Place, and a bunch of people that come out here on boats, so many boats everywhere. The frying is really good here, perfect temperature. It had been really amazing to see the incredible waters of Rio Lagartos. Now we had stopped at one last island before we would start heading back home.
And look what we have here, some kind of animal. It's like a really sharp tail, and the top looks like a turtle. And there's like a
The sun was going down over Rio Lagartos. It's an incredible place and really worth going there for a day trip. Or why not stay in a hotel for as low as $15 per night? If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.